In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image using Canva. This is a really handy feature when you want to create mirrored designs or get a fresh perspective on your visuals. Now, if you're not already familiar with Canva, it's a user-friendly design tool beloved by creators for its versatility and ease of use. So, whether you are working on a project for school, a social media post, or just sprucing up some personal photos, flipping images can add just the touch you're looking for. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is of course open Canva and have your project ready. Once you've selected your design, go ahead and find the image you want to adjust. When you hover over the image, you'll see that you can click on it. This action selects the image, allowing you access to all the editing features Canva offers. It's important to ensure you're actually clicking on the image itself. This will bring up a toolbar at the top of the screen filled with a variety of tools and options to customize your design. Once your image is selected, direct your attention to the toolbar above the canvas area. Search specifically for the button labeled Flip. This feature is what we'll use to reverse or mirror your image. With just a single click on Flip, a small drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with the next set of options. Don't worry if this is your first time using this feature, it's fully intuitive. Now that you have the Flip menu open, you'll see two options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Let's tackle the horizontal flip first. Click on Flip Horizontal. This makes the image swap along the vertical axis, essentially creating a mirror image of your original photo. It's a quick and effective way to completely change the orientation, commonly used for symmetrical designs, or simply for refreshing the look. If you also want to switch things up even further, Canva can make your image flip vertically as well. Click on Flip Vertical next. Doing this rotates the image along the horizontal axis, flipping it upside down. This step can be particularly useful for achieving unique reflections or playful layouts in your design. And there you have it. Within just a few clicks, you've learned how to flip an image both horizontally and vertically in Canva. This simple technique can open up a world of possibilities in your design projects, whether you're crafting something subtle or going for a dramatic flair. As you get comfortable, feel free to experiment with these options to generate creative designs that stand out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.